Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to add photo gallery slider to a Wix website. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So adding a photo gallery slider to your Wix website is actually pretty easy. So first things first, go to wix.com, log into your account, and access your admin's website or website admin. In this case, what you need to do is you need to go to the setup or the home section here in the left panel. Click on a design site. And from here, once you've done that, you should be able to see the website editor. Now, from the website editor, we need to go to a specific setting or tool here. Now, typically, the tool that you will be accessing here is going to be the Add Element button here. Let's go and click on it. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to go to Images. And under Images, what you need to do is you need to look for the appropriate option. In this case, we have the following options. So let's go and choose Images here. And we have the upload import, free from Wix, free Wix illustrations, and custom logo. In this case, choose the option that says slider galleries. And once you click on it, you should be able to see the following options. So there's going to be a lot of slider galleries that you could access. So in this case, we'll be using the very basic one here, which is this one. In this case, let's go ahead and click on it, press and hold on it, and just drag it in whatever section you want to add it. For example, I want to add this in this section here. In this case, let's go ahead and remove the section here. And from here, let's go ahead and resize our gallery here. Now from here, if you want to edit the actual images, you can just go ahead and click your slider here. Click on Change Images. And from here, you have the option to delete or replace that specific image. Now, depending on how you organize your photos here, the arrangement itself, it will also be changing on the actual gallery itself. So you can see we just moved this image here to the very first one. And whenever you actually click on Done here, this will actually change the slider itself. Now in this case, that's how you actually add a photo gallery in your Wix website. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.